Good morning, you guys. Well, it's morning for me. I'm going to do a commission pour today. I've done these colors before, but I haven't done a video of it. And I call it the classic colors. I'm going to do the black and gold, and then I'm going to use a white cell activator. So I'm just using the Artist Loft acrylic flow, that black, which is going to be my base. And I already painted the base, and I put a little bit of it on top. And they wanted it the same as one that I did before, in which I did for my mom. I don't know if it's going to come out exactly like that. That's just how it is with that acrylic pouring. You don't know exactly what the outcome is going to be. And when someone sees something, sometimes they want it exactly the same way of the example that they saw. So we'll see what happens. And then I'm just going to do the white cell activator and blow it out. Okay, let's torch it. Seems like I forget about my torching lately. And we do have bubbles. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, I can see right now off the bat, you guys, that I did not put enough paint because it's not spreading like it should. So I'm going to add a little bit more paint. Not only that, this black seems like it's a little thick. I'm just add a little bit more to help it spread. And I do need to make some more black. I don't have that much of it. I was trying to make do with it, but it didn't work out. So we're going to add more. Just to make sure. Put some more on here. What I will do, depending on how the other ones turn out, and I may just do it anyway, add some more paint onto that. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. This one, I actually got some more black. I went over it and then some of the black got into it. I actually like with the black into it. I kind of wish that all of them had a little bit of black that went into it. So I guess I'll know the next time, or I could just try to redo it to where some of the other ones have the black to go into it like that one. I like that. Okay, let's add a little bit of the black into it and see what happens. Let me see. I'm gonna put a little bit of black on top of here, and then I'm gonna try to blow back towards me. Try to blow back this way and see what happens. I'm about out of paint. Look at those bubbles. Just put a dot. Just a drop. Let's see what happened with this. I didn't put a lot of paint on it, and the black didn't go over the paint like it went over in this one. But it's not bad. That took a little bit of the white out of it. I'm always judging, and I just don't know, because you just never know what someone else is gonna like. So I'm always second guessing myself when it comes down to the designs. I always have a little trouble with that because I always second guess it, because I may not like it, but that does not mean that they won't like it. So I have to do better with that. Let's see. I'm going to leave it. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. And I'm just going to bring you down so that you can see it, but I'm going to leave it. I had already painted the, I had already painted it. It just wasn't that much wet paint, wet black paint that was on it. Well, let me bring you down. Okay, here we are. That's the first one. Second one. Well, it may not be in the order that I did them in, but here they are. And then this is the last one. Tell me what you think, you guys. To me, my favorite is this one, because I just like how the black paint went back inside, and it kind of looked like black, you know, sails, the way that it went back inside and covered over the paint. So maybe I should have took some of the paint and went in and covered some of the paint on it. But here you go. Here it is, you guys. So thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will be posting more videos, and I'll try to post some different things that I'm trying out. And so stay tuned. We will learn together. Till the next time, you guys.